wow, we have to do laundry, right? It's essential. We've got to do it. We've got no choice. And this is the best place to do it. So yeah, we were petrified, but we also at the same time said this is an opportunity to really set the standard and really set the bar high. And one of the things that we had decided prior to opening, in terms of pricing strategy and in terms of what we're going to do, is our vision for this store and for what ultimately wound up being our other stores and for future stores. Our plan was we want to be the Starbucks of laundromats. And that was our, not business plan, but that was our vision. And so what does that mean, right? So when Starbucks started to open and take over the country, and I don't mean that we want to be the Starbucks and have 5,000 locations. What I meant was the experience that you have when you go into a Starbucks, and when you went to one for the first time, it's really eye-opening. It's sleek, it's modern, the technology is there, and ultimately it's just like Starbucks.